Hi, welcome back to Tic Tac Talk, your tech update within 2 minutes. When the first reviews of the Mavic Air went up, I noticed that many of the famous vloggers don't have the Fly More combo bag. So today, we're gonna take a look at this very interesting bag. This bag has a very interesting pouch at the back that can contain many things. Size-wise, it seemed to be almost the same as the Mavic Pro bag. The Mavic Pro bag contains the drone, the remote, and 2 extra batteries. The Mavic Air bag can contain all of that, plus the power supply. Here's another look at the different dimensions of the bag. Here's a closer look at how the different things fit into the Mavic Air combo bag. When it came to the pouch, I was wondering what could go inside. I tried to fit the prop guards, but for the life of me, I couldn't until I found that you could actually pull out the inner layer and make a really huge bag. By then, I fitted it in, but it looked really huge. Hope that was helpful in helping you make a purchase decision. Thanks again for watching, and do subscribe and leave some comments below to help me improve this channel. Bye!